Welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Willie. Gambling takes a lot of money and risk, and it always doesn't guarantee a payoff. But let me tell you a gamble that guarantees a payoff without any risk or money. Subscribing to Morris Money. Today, I'm talking about why DocuSign surged over 15% in after hours and going over their earnings report. DocuSign rallied 17% after reporting quarterly sales that topped analyst estimates and raising its billing forecasts, signaling the e-signature business remains strong even as workers return to the office. Fiscal second quarter revenue increased 22% to $622.2 million. Analysts on average projected $602.7 million according to data compiled by Bloomberg. Profit excluding some items was 44 cents a share compared with the average analyst estimate of 42 cents per share. Expectations for the company were muted before the earnings were released as sales growth slowed. The chief executive officer, Dan Springer, departed in June and the shares plunged 62% this year. Board chair and interim CEO Maggie Wildrotter, apologize if I butchered that, credited the positive results to the company's execution during this transitional period. DocuSign boosted its forecast for full-year billing to as high as $2.57 billion from $2.4 billion. Analysts on average project $2.53 billion. In September, 8 analysts have rated DocuSign an overall buy, with the average price target at $87. Not too bad. I wanted to talk about a little something different today. DocuSign was a pandemic winner that really hasn't gotten any love since. And the fact that they're up over 15% in after hours after their earnings is great in my opinion. They still have some ground to make up if they want to get back to pandemic price levels, but DocuSign is an interesting company that I see being around for the long term because as the world continues to become more digital, you'll need companies like DocuSign within this new economy. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think about DocuSign and other pandemic stocks that have been beaten down over the past couple months. I mean, majority all of them. But what companies do you think could make a comeback and be around for the long term? Let me know below. Please don't take this video as financial advice and thank you for watching Morris Money.